Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
ka Sorkar jelak le penjelani ka rai bakhaddo lo ka jingpin kan ria ke Nongdie Madan ha ka Snong Laitumkhrah daga ba ai Porsche Sngi ka tanat penroi sor ba ka dor ba Snong Laitumkhrah ban penlong e ka jing Jurip lang hadim ka jing kran ka blong ha ka Laitumkhrah lo ber arhajar arpun riu usembut menjerang ba ka jalau bakmi ka tanat penroi sor ba snya balang dhar ha ka jing kran ba ka lat patai ku bor loong ba ka dor ba Snong Laitumkhrah ba ka tanat penroi sor ka lapan Porsche Sngi ban penbet ya ka kam baru loong ru bala kumno hapo shibenai lani arbenai on pin kan ria lo di Nongdie Madan narut surok ke Snong Laitumkhrah.
Today again we had meetings about the Laitumkhrah Hakas in the presence of local Malay Madam Nongdie and all the Chirong Bashnongs and along with the Krong Bado, and we have discussed only about this Sorkar. So I think another 10 days, there is some plus and minus, we are unable to decide today. They asked me 10 days more time, so we give them 10 days more, so we come with a concrete decision. Is that because there is some place to recheck again, we have to re-verify again, so the Dorbash request in the meeting today, so we give them 10 days time, so within 10 days time, it will be a joint inspection between the Urban Affairs Department office and the Dorbash elders or whoever maybe they have made wrong. They will go for the inspection and they will submit the report and we will try to close this matter as possible. So the number will be yet to decide even that when some new are coming and some old already there. So even that will decide next week. So what are the actual number? Yes, I think just take it within 1 or 2 months we'll be able to complete it because when we decide next week and we have to give them notice 30 days minimum and then we'll proceed ahead as per law accordingly.
Suggestions have already been accepted by the Honorable DCM in charge of urban affairs. There were a bit of a glitch because roads in and around Laitumkhrah are very tight. There's already big pressure from vehicular movement, big pressure from public movement. So now we need to be a little more careful when we discuss the relocation on an existing road. So Honorable DCM has been very gracious to listen to the Darbar and us, and we are very grateful. Hopefully things should go as proposed. We are not going to disclose anything now because we are just at the stage of discussion. We don't want to talk about the numbers of hawkers because these are all committed situations with the court, and hence we do not want to infringe or get into matters which are subject.
You are rightly said, now we are monitoring it day by day or day basis. Process is on. I think slowly it will fall into place everything. You know the place where narrow. And yes, it's not so easy for us to stick to Mojoso, but our officer and along with the police department is on the job to regulate the problem in the city. So don't worry, a time will come. A time will come. Not to be rushed. Decision is a good decision. We are yet to finalize finally. Mainly is done by deputy departments, and even it seemed yesterday, so tomorrow also we are having a meeting about this issue. So this, when rain is come, yes, there is some blockages happen, but Nongdie has to take care of this.
Thank you so much.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। Let's go guys, party time.